Okay, looking at number 7, we see y equals x minus 4 squared minus 3. I'm going to quickly write down our general form. Okay, we're going to identify the a, the h, and the k. Once again, if there's no number up in front of the parentheses, we assume it's a 1. With the h and the k, the trick is we always switch the sign of the h, keep the sign of the k. So I see minus 4 inside the parentheses, so we want to switch the sign of that h, positive 4, keep the sign of the k, which is negative 3. So our vertex is 4, negative 3. We also know because A is positive, this graph's going to open up. And we know that every time A is positive, whether it was this form or the previous form from standard form, A always told you that same story. It's going to, if A is positive, it opens up. If A is negative, it opens down. Okay, so 4, negative 3. We've got our vertex. There's our axis of symmetry. I'm going to write down the numbers 1 and 3. Okay, now between this section and the last section, because this is the same process, you've now seen me write the numbers 1 and 3 down. I believe this is the 23rd video. Actually, no, with the examples yesterday, I think it's the 27th video that I've written this down. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So if you're having questions, make sure you ask. 1 and 3 are positive, so the vertical change is we're moving up. The horizontal change is always 1 to the right, always 1 to the right. So the first vertical change is 1, so I go up 1 unit. Not one box. This graph, each box is a half a unit. I need to go up a full unit. So up to here, then over a full unit. See, a lot of students are going to be plotting the point right here when they're going up 1 box, over 1 box. Up 1 full unit, over 1 full unit. Then I want to go up 3 units. So starting on that point I just plotted, 1, 2, 3. 3 full units over 1 full unit. Then use the idea of symmetry to reflect to get points 4 and 5. Once again, none of those 5 points should ever lie on the same vertical line. If you look, none of those 5 points are on the same vertical line. Now I need to state the domain and range. The domain, as we said, is all real numbers for every problem. The range, once again, we deal with that k, that y coordinate of the vertex. This graph opens up, so it's greater than or equal to negative 3. The y coordinates of every point on this curve are greater than or equal to negative 3. There are no points down here, and because the arrows go up on both sides, there'll never be points down here.